In this repair video, we're going to be working on the EVGA graphics card. This is the FTW2 1080. It came in for no power, and the video card looks something like this. I already disassembled the video card. Big Boss already disassembled the card, and we have the board right here. We're going to start working on the board to see what's going on and why this graphics card is not working. Just put the box on the side. So the first thing I want to start doing is just quick inspection on the board. We can inspect the voltage input, meter in diode mode. And look at that. Right off the bat, we have a short on this 12-volt line here. Oh well, we got nothing. On a normal board, we should have a diode reading of about 0.5. I actually have two other video cards that we need to work on next. Maybe we can pick any one of them and just check and see what we get. And yes, we get a diode reading of 0.5. So we do have a short on this board here, and we're not able to read this pin here. Before we continue with the measurements, let's quickly inspect the board, do physical inspection. Rather than spend the time to do a lot of measurements, we first do physical inspection. If we do not find anything obvious, then we start to measure resistance mode, diode mode, and we also measure voltages when the card is plugged in. So I'm going to start from the far end here. What is the success rate of fixing video cards? Based on all the video cards that we got in the shop here, I would say it's a 50-50 chance. Some of them we are able to figure out and fix. Others we're not able to figure out and fix. Others, they have a GPU problem. So it's a hit and miss when it comes to video cards. So far, nothing obvious. We do see some discolorations on the board, but that's from heat. All video cards have the same thing. Like you see how the board is discolored. I mean, those video cards, they take a lot of abuse. A lot of abuse. But you spend $2,000 or $3,000 on a video card and it fails on you after 1 year. That's crazy. I tell customers, if there's an option to buy warranty on that card, a 3-year warranty or 5-year warranty, do it. Even if that warranty is going to cost you $300-400, do it. Especially if you game a lot or if you use it for mining. Is this a blown Mosfet here? Oh, look at that. Look at that. We have a blown Mosfet. Right here. Look at this. That's a blown Mosfet. We cannot tell by looking at it that way, but I did see the hole. I tilted the board and look at that. We see a bulge in the Mosfet. Which one is this? The 7403. This is a P-channel Mosfet. I know I've seen that Mosfet on the Xbox. I've worked on that Mosfet on the Xbox before. So if we don't have that Mosfet in stock, we're gonna extract it from the Xbox motherboard. I know Xbox, they use the 7403. It's a popular, very common Mosfet. Let's continue with the inspection. So right off the bat, we know that we have a blown Mosfet. A Mosfet can act as a protection for the circuit or for switching. Have GPU V-core right here. Nothing obvious. Let me go to resistance mode. And we have a dead short, 0 ohm reading, dead short. Wow, we have a dead short. I mean, look at the abuse that these boards get. Look at the burn marks on the board from heat. Look at this. And that's why at some point they fail. I mean, the video card is this board here, and the size of the heatsink and the fan is about twice or 3 times the size of the board because of how hot they get. Right now, what I'm going to do is test the continuity between the 12-volt line and the V-core MOSFETs. And if we get a short or 0 ohm reading, it's game over for this video card. The GPU is fried. Gone. That's it. Bye-bye. So we're gonna let the customer know and ship it back to him. I have a couple more video cards I'm working on today. Maybe I'll do videos on those. We'll see. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video.